Like, listen. I already got gas, and I'm not eating. I'm not doing anything. It's just there. It's already out there. Posting there. Wow, sorry. That was nasty, man. Glaive. I'm gonna do nothing. Oh, girl. I am. Wow, that's so nice. That's what I like about bubbly water. Oh. We're going for punching people to death? People misinterpret each other all the time. Sorry. That was nasty.
Good lord.
Shing. Oh. Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
You couldn't get the bot? John, I appreciate it. And how people get, you know, banned and stuff and all that shit. Sorry. Yeah.
Don't feed the
Sorry.
trolls, Kappa.
Oh god, I have to burp so bad. Sorry, wow, that was just sounding nasty. Pee so badly. I'm gonna go pee. My bad. And that was so coward of me.
Everything you need.
Sorry. Sorry. That's way too young. Fuck a mixer.
What those guys did to us.
Like a harpy. Wow, that's so nice. Eran terribles. I can't remember the name. I started crying. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you. I'm so sorry. Oh, that was nice. Download 2 things. You gotta get. Oh.
Let's go have a great Saturday.
I'm so uncomfortable right now. On. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Holy shit.